Hi, Sue here, Tenacious bitch, sitting in her flamingo Adirondack chair. So she's at it again. She is doing stuff for herself. Just yesterday, parts arrived from Wales, UK, from Neil Jones. He is my supplier for priceless MR2 parts. And so the front air dam, the spoiler, the original one, was hanging by threads. And so it's been a few months waiting for them, for the replacement ones to arrive, and they're black. So in a few minutes, got to get all of this ready first. So maybe a couple hours from now, I'm going to be driving those parts down to Scratch and Dent. They did the paint job on the front bumper, which is the nose, and the passenger fender, and the rocker panel on the driver's side, because they were just so scratched up. So anyways, ooh, look at that. You can see it in the background. So I can't be resting on my laurels. Had you got me in, didn't I? So what I'm doing today is I'm sticking on a few stickers. And this is what it looks like, okay? And it is going to go centered here, like that. So what I'm doing is I'm measuring. I'm lining up between here, and I found the midpoint between my directional signals, found the center of my bumper, put a piece of tape up, lined it up with the front emblem, and this is going to go on here. Thank God this is like a sticky decal. So the Toyota emblem is going to go like right here, right there. That's where it's going to go. And I've got this guideline here, but I got to tear away that middle part. This is the line that I need for the center, and I'm going to put some marks on either side of this so that I can see where I can put that. But I want to show you what I have done before. So a couple of years ago, my sweetheart was still with me when I did this sticker. Look at that. Wow. It's really hard to read because I'm usually going so fast. People find it difficult to follow me close enough to read that. But, you know, looks good when it's parked. And I did this one today. And this one was relatively easy. You know, it's just a little sticker, and you know, peel off the paper backing. And then this is quite sticky. And this is the only part that I'm going to use. So you burnish it on while this is still on there. Then you carefully peel off this plastic. That's how you do that. So I've got some more stickers to do because, like I told you, I did paint this front fender here, and you can see that there's a graphic that should go here all the way across the door. Oh, and there it meets up. And I'm missing the continuation of that graphic goes here, but I got to take this off to do it. And it's a little too breezy today. And then it continues here. And then another piece goes across the front, continues here, and then I got to take this off. Oh no, I don't have to take it off. That's already there, so that's fine. So I got my work cut out for me. I only have enough to replace what's missing, so I'm going to leave the original stuff there. And even though it's 32 years old, it's not perfect anymore. Hey, this car is in original condition. So, oh, look who's sleeping on the job. But she likes to be down here with me. So I'm going to be working on this, and I can't be doing that and talking to you at the same time. So I will, before I burnish it all on and peel off the backing, I'll get back to you and show you what that looks like. Until now, until later, the Tenacious Bitch is signing off. Hi, Sue here, Tenacious Bitch. So you know the old adage, measure twice and cut once. Well, measure 18 times and stick once, because you get one chance with that. So what's going on here are just these letters. These is just guide stickers. Those will be peeling off with this. So I'm going to peel the paper backing off and stick it on so that this is on here like this. And this is my center line, this edge of the tape. So this is where my Toyota is going to line up with. And when the paper's gone, you'll be able to see that. And it's very important that this tape that I've got for a guideline is not behind where these letters are going to stick. And that looks So it's gonna go like about like that. And that's gonna be fabulous. So I'm gonna peel off the paper backing and stick that sticker on, and I'll come back and show you what it looks like. Oh, I remember, if this Tenacious bitch can do it, you can do it too. Hi, Sue here, Tenacious bitch. So I've got it on there. You can see how that looks. It's just barely stuck on there. So this one is pretty accurate, but this one got moved a little bit because I was trying to rip the tape in the middle. So this is the top line of the letter, and this is the bottom line of the letter. So I'm thinking, maybe I could lift this up a little bit this way. I'm doing this on a windy day. I gotta be careful because once those letters start peeling off, I think that, yeah, this is, yeah, that's a little wavy. Yeah, this one's better. So, I don't know, I think that looks pretty good. I'm gonna go with it. So, I gotta burnish those letters on, and I'm going to use like this wooden pencil thing that doesn't have lead in it, and I'm gonna really scrape it on there because I've got I'm only gonna touch this part, just this. This is just guidelines. That I don't want stuck on the card, just that. So, I'm gonna work on that, and then I'm gonna show what it looks like when I start to peel it off, and I'll be back. Oh, and remember, this Tenacious bitch can do it. You can do it too. The pencil that I used, and I'm burnishing it on like this, just on the silver parts, because I don't want this stuff to stick to the paint. That is fresh paint. That nose is painted. And then what I'm going to do is carefully, oh, I've got some neighbors next door. I'm doing the Tenacious bitch YouTube video about how to apply decals to a 32-year-old Toyota MR2. So now I am carefully peeling this off. Look at that. Oh my God. I think I'm gonna cry. Oh, you would be so happy. Oh, look at how beautiful that looks. Oh, now I'm gonna take the tape off. Oh, God, that's awesome. Look at that. Look at that. I'm taking this in because it needs a front air dam. Look at that. See, the air dam's missing. They took it off to paint it and was hanging by threads. So Neil Jones, he found me a pair of black ones. So they're in the trunk. And I'm going to take them to Scratch and Dent, and they're going to sand them up and paint them for me. And tell me when to come bring this in so I can install it. Now look at, whoops, a little dark. Look at that, will ya? I think that looks pretty awesome. So until next time, this is Sue, Tenacious bitch here. Now remember, if she can do it, you can do it too. Bye-bye.